Here I have VIVO V20, and today I'm going to show you how to check your IMEI number and serial number on this device. So to do this, the first method, you just have to open the keypad and enter the secret code, which is *#06#. And here you can see your IMEI1, IMEI2, and also the serial number. And the second method, you just open settings, then go to the about phone section, and here you can find IMEI1, IMEI2, and also in model and hardware you can find your serial number. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.